Charities say they fear that thousands of undocumented workers here in London are at risk of coronavirus because they're too afraid to seek help. That's despite reassurances from the government that hospitals will not carry out immigration checks. A report by a London migrant rights charity says the government's environment policies are a risk to public health. Leana Hosea has more.
Illegal migrants live on the margins of our society, working in the informal economy, staying under the radar. Jean, not her real name, says she came to London on a student visa, but when she tried to renew it, she was denied and says the Home Office never returned her passport. After years of homelessness, she started cleaning houses for a living, but now COVID-19 has pushed her to the edges of poverty and destitution.
I had to stop working and didn't have any money. I almost don't have accommodation because I can't pay for the accommodation. And if I leave, where am I going to go? I can't go on the street.
She's managed to pick up a few cleaning jobs, but says her employers are now paying a third of the wages they were before the pandemic.
Well, the houses I worked in, they're quite massive. Like you go from 9, you don't leave until 5 or 6, and they only pay you £30.
Another undocumented worker says she fears contracting the virus, but if she gets COVID, she won't seek medical help.
2 years ago, I've been hospitalized. They said to me that they're going to get the report and they will submit it to the Home Office. And that is very scary for me because I'm not ready to go home yet. We have a close friend and we lost him because of this virus. And he didn't go to the hospital because he was scared. And then they find him dead in his own flat.
It's concerns over the inability of the undocumented to protect themselves or seek help that has led to a group of over 60 charities to call for the government to offer legal status to all undocumented migrants on public health grounds.
We're calling for all undocumented migrants to be given leave to remain because we do feel that this would be the humane thing to do and it would protect not just them but society at large as well.
The Home Office told us that illegal migrants are not eligible for mainstream benefits. However, coronavirus treatment is available for free on the NHS regardless of your immigration status, and local authorities may provide a basic safety net where children are involved. Rightly or wrongly, undocumented migrants are here to stay, and during this global pandemic, the need for everyone to access healthcare and support is more vital than ever. Leana Hosea, BBC London.